Hi guys, today we're gonna do a project. It's like a lava lamp thing, and let's get started. So first we have to pour like a half amount of vegetable oil.
That's good. That's good.
That's enough. And then I put the water now.
A little bit more than that. There we go.
This pellet?
Nope. You gotta put the food coloring. Food coloring, remember?
First, the food coloring. How much drops?
Let's put like 10 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let's see. Let's wait for it to go down.
Come on.
You might want to put a little bit more.
Like 5 more?
Yeah, a couple more. Yeah, a few more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
4, 6.
It's fine.
Oh, they look big on the bottom.
Do they?
Oh, the color's starting to go in the water.
Okay, now you can drop that in there.
The pellet.
The Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. 3, 2, 1. Looks so cool. You can put whatever color in. By the way, I just choose blue.
And it makes an awesome effect.
Hand me the camera. Hand me it.
Wow, look good.
Yeah, it looks so cool. Guys, come look at this. Come look at the top.
You can't look at so much. The side is cool because that's where all the action shows now.
Look at this side. Whoa. Mommy. Yeah, like that. Look how cool that looks.
Okay, that's it. It's
Okay,
done.
that's it.
Tune in
It's
next
done.
time for another.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to turn notifications on so you never miss another video. Bye!
More experiments with Noah coming soon.
Coming soon.